Now it's time for the bonus giveaway. For a limited time, we're giving out $750 cash app to our USA viewers for completing a quick survey. To enter, click the link in the description or scan this special secret QR code. You've probably been scrolling everywhere looking for ways to make money online, and you've finally found it. I'll simply be teaching you how to copy and paste images, and by doing so, you can earn up to $500 to $1,000. Mind you, it won't take much effort and it'll be completely passive. Don't worry because this is available all over the world. Isn't it amazing that it's completely free? Just make sure you watch this video and follow along with me to double or even triple your earnings in a fraction of the time. Now, first and foremost, I want you to go to google.com and search for this keyword, which is cute animals. From there, I want you to click on this button, which is images, which will take you to this page where you can find various images of all of these cute animals and how we can use them to make a lot of money online using a very special website and a very unique strategy. Second, go to teespring.com, which is a completely free platform that allows you to use artificial intelligence to design various e-commerce products that you can then sell on the internet without having to talk to anyone. It's actually a lot easier and simpler than you might think, and as previously stated, all you have to do is copy and paste the photos into teespring.com when you upload all of your images and designs. It will simply assist you in printing those designs to various garments, t-shirts, and other designs that you can see here that are actually many different types of clothes on teespring.com. See this design right here? You can simply upload and copy and paste some simple graphics, and then they'll help you print them on various t-shirts instantly. Check out this t-shirt, which is about $20, and not only that, there are a whole lot of different designs on teespring.com which you can virtually sell anything by simply copying and pasting. As you can see, there are accessories as well as backpacks, leggings, and even phone cases. The idea behind this money-making strategy is that Teespring will gladly pre-manufacture and generate all of the t-shirts and different designs for you, then assist you in shipping to 180 countries around the world. Not only that, but they can do it with the same day or 2-day shipping, which means you can start your own online store in the design store on teespring.com. Awesome! That's how it works. In general, first and foremost, you must create a product by simply using the Teespring launcher and selecting the stock designing button. In just a moment, I'll show you how to use your mobile phone or computer to begin designing different t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting different images. So stay connected and don't miss out again. On teespring.com, you can create and design a wide range of items. Once you've completed the process, we'll move on to the next stage, which is increasing your sales. You can either use their existing network or integrate via a tool or a collaboration to generate more sales. It's actually quite simple and it's now working. As a result, Teespring will assist you in manufacturing, transporting, and fulfilling all orders. They'll even help you with customer service, and they have a competent team to handle it. All you have to do now is go back to teespring.com's homepage and click on this button up top to start designing, which will take you to this page where you can sign up for the world's most popular creator platform. All you have to do is fill out some basic information like your name or brand name, email address, and password, and then click the sign up button. After you've filled out your personal information and created an account, you'll be redirected to this page where you'll see different categories of different trending products, as well as a variety of suggestions for what's hot and what's trending right now. In other trending areas such as digital apparel and accessories, which includes joggers, face masks, and so on. If you don't like any of these categories, you may simply scroll down and look through the many other themes, goods, and products that you can make. As you can see, there are a lot of them. All you have to do is press the start button right here, and then that will take you to this long sleeve tee category. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with the best one, which is the classic. Now we need to upload an image of our t-shirt. As you can see, there is a central section where we need to copy and paste an image onto the t-shirt as our own design. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you've found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. What you'll do now is go back to Google and search for cute emojis, which is what I showed you at the beginning of the video. And we'll choose one of these images. In this video, I'll use cats as an example because there are many cat fans all over the world who would like to buy and design a t-shirt with lovely cat on top. So once we've chosen the cat image, we can either save it to our computer, take a screenshot, or save it to your phone. All we have to do now is click this button to upload a picture, select the photos that will be chosen, and there is now the cat photo. Once you've successfully uploaded your image, it will appear on the t-shirt as seen over here. Right now, you may drag and drop the photos to any location that you want, or even drag them to make them bigger. So right now, I'm making it slightly larger to fit the box in the center and putting it slightly in the center at the bottom. Here, you can resize them as needed. The next step is to choose a color for your product. We'll go with the white for our t-shirt. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page to set a price for your product. By default, they'll recommend $26.99 and you can earn $11 profit on every sale. And Teespring will help you market and sell the t-shirt for you every day. What's great about Teespring is how quiet it is and how simple it is for a newbie. Because Teespring will assist you in marketing and selling the goods. Once you're happy with your design, just click the continue button at the bottom and your t-shirt and design will be right on top online at teespring.com. To get hundreds of sales, I'd like you to go to facebook.com right now and search for the keyword cat lover. Once you get to Facebook, all I want you to do is click on groups under the filters section by default. So I just click on groups and then I want you to click on this button right here to join these public groups, which will help you filter all of the results for cat lovers groups that are open to the public. Let's say I click on this group right here. And it takes me to this page where I can see a lot of cat fans from all around the world. They are showcasing various images, graphics, and videos related to cats. And if you're able to put a basic design right here on the group, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to talk to anyone. And it'll be very targeted traffic because everyone who joins this group is a cat lover. Publish a very basic post and share your t-shirt design right here inside the Facebook group, and voila, you'll be able to earn lots of income by simply doing so. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!